How to use image search in Amazon. Now, in order to use image search in Amazon to find the product that you would like to buy, you need to use the Amazon application because the feature is not available in the web version of Amazon. Now, after opening the mobile application, you are going to see a lot of options from the homepage, and one of those is this Instagram-like icon inside the search bar. Simply tap into that icon, and after that, you just simply need to give access of your camera to Amazon, and after that you can just simply show the product or item that you would like to look for in Amazon in your camera and hit the search button. And after that, Amazon will find out similar product depending on what kind of images that you have sent to Amazon, and like this you can very easily find by using image search in Amazon. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.